So this is a full course on Lovable AI for absolute beginners. Lovable AI is a vibe coding or a AI coding tool which you can use to build apps really fast. Do you want to build and sell AI powered apps even if you have no coding experience and you are a new? In this course, we are going to walk through vibe coding step by step. No fluff and no prior experience required. So whether you are a developer, entrepreneur, or just someone who is curious about AI, this video has everything for you. Make sure you bookmark this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can come back and refer to this video again when you are building something. Also, I highly encourage you to build something hands-on using Lovable AI once you are done watching this video. This way you will understand all the concept and you'll be able to remember these things later on. So at the end of this video, I'm also going to share some of the free resources which will help you in taking your AI coding and automation knowledge to next level. So make sure you stay all the way till the end. We are going to use it to create a web scraping app without writing a single line of code. So if you are into AI automation, or you want to extract data from web, you're an entrepreneur, want to scale up your business, or somebody who just want to learn about this, then make sure you stick around. So in this video, you're going to learn first what is Lovable AI and how you can use it. Second, we will create a web scraper, which will help you in scraping any kind of data from internet and help you in analysis. And finally, we'll discuss some of the practical use cases uh, for this tool. Many viewers have been asking about creating some of the tools which can be used in real life and businesses. So we thought we'll discuss this web scraping tool this time. If you want us to build any tool for you on this channel, then please drop a comment. It can be something which is specific to your scenario, or maybe you're using some highly costly paid tool and you want to make a tool of yourself to uh, reduce those costs. Then feel free to drop a comment and we'll build that tool for you in this channel. Now, one thing you'll notice with big businesses is that almost always they either build their software themselves from scratch, or they customize existing softwares to fit into their business processes. But unfortunately, for small businesses and startup, they don't have that kind of luxury. If they're not very technical, they have to adapt their processes to whatever SaaS tool is available in market. But not anymore with AI, and we'll show you how you can use Lovable AI to do this. You can create any software you want. Create something only for you in a matter of minutes. Before building a tool, let's discuss what is Lovable AI. So Lovable AI is an AI-based platform which can build applications for you by just describing it and without writing a single piece of code. You just provide some prompts or instruction, and AI will do all the work, generate code, and then you can deploy it in production and start using it. Now, a little bit, I want to tell you about the web scraper and which specific use case we are going to work this for. So today we will create a web scraper which can, go to Airbnb, put, a city or a zip code, and then scrape reviews from maybe initial top 10, 20 properties. And then you can analyze this review or ask AI to analyze it so that you get sentimental analysis of, what people are looking for, why they are, booking these properties, what's good, what's bad. And if you're a real estate investor, this information may help you if you're looking to, starting your own Airbnb. Now, this is one use case, but you can use it for anything. So if you are an e-commerce store, you can use this tool to extract reviews from Amazon for different products and create new products. Or if you are a local business, you can extract reviews from Google for your competition and analyze it and see what people are liking, what people are not. So possibilities are endless. You can create any kind of web scraper and scrape news, data, and analyze it. So let's get into it and start building this. So let's look for Lovable AI. Okay. So this is where you land, like, idea to app in seconds. So, this is kind of an AI platform for creating different applications. Now, I have already logged in to this one, but if you have not, then you can create a quick profile and get started with this. Now, whenever you're creating something, right, I suggest that you provide detailed prompts to the application, what you're trying to do and achieve. In many cases, right, people start with giving just a one line prompt and then they keep editing and improving it over time. But unfortunately, when you do that, it may create, a lot of junk code, or, have things which may not be needed, and later it becomes really complex. So let's provide our prompt to this application. This is a prompt I have created that we'll be creating an app to scrape data from Airbnb, basically Airbnb reviews. Currently, we are saying that first 10 listing you scrape. Later, you can increase it if you want. And we also want option to download data as an Excel. Okay. So let's hit enter and let it do its magic. It'll take few minutes and you'll have your app ready. As you can see, like it is building app, creating code on right side. On left side, it is giving us some more detailed prompt what it is doing. It has created a tool. Now let's try it out. So I'm providing it a name of a city and state, and then let's hit search reviews, and voila, yes, it has done it. So what it has done is, like it has extracted reviews from, like top 10 properties, and you can download it as an Excel also. If I click here, it's done, and we can check it out. Okay, so yes, so it has scraped the data as we expected, and we have pretty much everything we want. And as I suggested, right, same thing you can do for any business you want, or any other data you want to scrape from internet, right? And this kind of application will be ready in a second. Now, another thing which we can do is, like, we can ask it to summarize these review and provide a summary that, hey, why people are booking, what are they liking, what are they not liking. So let's add that prompt also. So here I have provided additional comment that we want to go through the reviews and summarize, so that we don't have to do it ourselves. So now if you see, like it is summarizing also reviews, that okay, what people are liking, what people don't like. Currently it doesn't have a lot of negative thing, but it is able to do sentimental analysis also. So this way you can keep going and adding more functionalities to your tool. Now another thing which you may want to do is to store some of the data in a database. So in order to store, what you can do is, one of the easiest way I found is, like this tool called Supabase. It is available, and it provides a very easy integration with Lovable. So first, what you can do is you can create an account with Supabase, and once you have created that account, you can come here, link your account, click on it, and I have already linked my account, but you can link it. And once you have linked, then you can ask Lovable to add functionality where you can save the data and it'll get saved in Supabase. Told Lovable is that can you save name of city, zip, whatever input user is making, let's add it in a database and it is persistent. So that, like later I can analyze, okay, what people are generally looking for, which cities are hot or whatever, right? And or maybe people, we can share it with them that okay, this is what folks are looking for. So when we did that, like Lovable, it connected with Superbase. It created tables. Like it first, it created commands and asked you, like, okay, are you ready? Uh, are you good with this? And we said yes. Then it created table in Superbase, and basically it created this functionality where it is saving database also. And then now when we search here, it is kind of saving these searches and showing us results here. And if you go to this Superbase database and look for the search history, yeah. So you'll see these things, they are getting stored. So, name of city or um, zip, whatever you're searching, right? So you will have this database. So as you can see, right, I mean, very easily you can create projects or web apps in matter of few minutes. You don't have to go buy a new software or figure out how you'll do. Or even I think it's better than AI agent instead of you working with AI agents and combining multiple tools to achieve something, right? Just tell Lovable or tools like these AI web creators that okay, what you want, and your app will be ready in a matter of seconds. So thanks for staying all the way to the end. So some of the free resources which you can use, and I have dropped a link below. First is a complete course on AI agents, which will help you in learning AI agents and how you can automate most of your tasks. And another resource is like major tips and tricks related to ChatGPT. It'll help you in using ChatGPT and other LLMs to fullest. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming episode. And you can also check out our previous videos to learn about some of the AI coding and AI agent tools.